Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast and north central Colorado. For today and tonight, a system will bring moderate snow to the Front Range Mountains and heavy snow to the Park and Goal Range this morning through Sunday morning. Light snow will spread across lower elevations, including the Denver metro on Saturday night and into Sunday. Travel impacts expected Saturday for the high country and Sunday morning high country and plains. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Snow will gradually end Sunday morning. Cold temperatures are expected, with most areas staying below freezing. Warmer and drier conditions are likely next week. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed. The noon observations around northeast Colorado. Denver International Airport was partly sunny. The temperature was 58 degrees, the dew point 20, the relative humidity 22%. The wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.70 inches and falling. At Denver Central Park, the temperature was 57, the relative humidity 24%. The wind was northeast at 1. Aurora was 61 degrees. The winds were west at 8. Centennial partly sunny. The temperature was 60. The wind was west at 15, gusting to 30. Broomfield reported sunny and 59. The wind was east at 7. Boulder Fair. The temperature was 46. The wind was north at 7. Fort Collins Loveland Airport, fair and 50 degrees. The wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour. At Greeley. Elsewhere in Colorado, Monument Hill fair and 55. The wind was southwest at 15. Colorado Springs fair and 61. The wind was southwest at 16, gusting to 32. Akron fair and 54. The wind was southeast at 13. Lyman fair and 63. The wind was west at 8 miles an hour. Grand Junction cloudy and 44. Some other observations: Cheyenne fair and 52. North Platte fair and 56. Goodland fair and 60. Again, Denver International Airport was 58 degrees under partly sunny skies. The winds were southwest at 6 miles an hour. Here is the forecast for Boulder and the western Denver suburbs. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s to lower 60s. Tonight, chance of rain and snow in the evening, then snow likely after midnight. Snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Lows 17 to 21. Chance of precipitation 70%. Sunday, snow likely in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Much colder. New snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Highs in the lower 30s. Chance of snow 70%. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows 12 to 16. Here is the forecast for Denver. Today, partly cloudy. Highs around 60. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tonight, chance of rain and snow in the evening, then snow likely after midnight. Snow accumulation around 2 inches. Lows 18 to 22. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 70%. Sunday, snow likely in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Much colder. New snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Highs in the lower to mid-30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the morning, becoming light. Chance of snow 70%. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows 12 to 16. Here is the extended forecast for the Denver and Boulder area. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower to mid-40s. Monday night and Tuesday, mostly clear. Lows 19 to 23. Highs near 50. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid to upper 20s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. highs in the 50s. Wednesday night through Friday, mostly cloudy. Lows 28 to 34. Highs 52 to 57. This is a winter weather advisory. For the following locations in Colorado: Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 12 inches, with the heavier amounts north of I-70. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks. When? From 11 a.m. Saturday to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Snow will spread southward across the Front Range Mountains and Summit County Saturday afternoon and evening, with the heaviest snow expected to fall Saturday night. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be hazardous and may be difficult at times. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for Colorado can be obtained by calling 511 or by going to www.cotrip.org. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast and north central Colorado.